Paano kung hindi nag-work ang plan A and plan B mo? Hindi pumupunta yung kliyente mo, hindi mo na-capture market mo, walang umu-order sa'yo, anong gagawin mo?
Diba? Ang water station business.
Water station business. Yes, definitely. Water station business is a good business because people need water. It's a basic commodity. Kailangan po lang natin malaman yung location mo. Yung location mo ba talaga papasok sa target market mo? Number 2, ikaw may plan A ka, di ba? You want to capture the local market there. Number 2, may competitor ka ba? Okay. Number 3, ang importante, ano yung services mo na pwede mo i-offer na mas ma-reach ka ng mga tao. Alam mo, when it comes to water, no? Medyo mabigat po siya. It's a 5-gallon thing. Hindi po pupunta ang tao at parang magpaparefill lang at magbibit-bit niya pauwi yun. Chances are, kailangan po ng delivery service. If you can offer delivery service instead of you, the customer going to you, ikaw ang pupunta sa customer, that will be very, very good. And then, ito lang po ang warning sa mga tinatawag na nagtatayo ng mga water refilling station. Tatandaan nyo, pag hindi pumasok ang pahinante mo, ikaw ang pahinante. Pag hindi pumasok ang driver mo, ikaw ang driver. Bakit? Hindi pwede maghintay ang customer pagdating sa commodity. Pagkain, tubig, hindi sila pwede maghintay. Sabi mo, wala silang pagkain for the day, wala silang tubig for the day. Oras na hindi mo siya sinerbisyuhan, ano mangyayari? Lilipat sila ng ibang kliyente. Kaya make sure talaga kailangan maganda yung service. And finally, kung may plan A ka to capture the market, plan B may service ka, dapat may plan C ka. When you say plan C, paano kung hindi nag-work ang plan A and plan B mo? Hindi pumupunta yung kliyente mo, hindi mo na-capture market mo, walang umu-order sa'yo, anong gagawin mo? Pag wala kang plan C, very, very risky. I would suggest go for plan C. Ang ibig sabihin ng plan C, you do institutional selling. Ang institutional selling, pupunta ka from company to company, ika-close mo siya, isa-service mo yung mga malalaking market. Pag bumili sila, hindi tingi, kundi wholesale.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.